Hey guys, it's Alicia and I am back with my 3-month lock update. I think it's already obvious just from if you've seen my first video when I first did my locks to now of how they're evolving. I've checked out even before I locked my hair of how these locks transform, and so I knew that there was going to be some sort of transformation, and I'm loving it. It's still one of the best decisions I've made with my hair, or I at least feel that way now. So I'm super excited to be sharing this journey with you guys, but let's just get into the video. So my locaversary is on July 24th of 2020. I started my Microlocs with mini 2-strand twist. So why I chose to do my own Microlocs, most of my journey here on YouTube, even with my loose natural hair, has been DIY. And honestly, I researched sister locks and I just want to have control of my own hair. It's my hair. I want to be able to do it how I want to do it, use the methods that I want to use, and just pretty much be in charge of my own journey. When I installed my mini twist, I didn't use any sort of product. I took the advice of some of the YouTubers and I just stuck with water. I don't have any type of grid. I know that's a normal thing for like sister locks, and some of the microlockers are also, you know, taking that on. But for me, I wanted to keep it simple and easy, and so I really don't have any sort of grid pattern. And also, since I've been retwisting my hair, I really don't follow any sort of pattern. So if I did have any little bit of part that was even, that's probably gone at this point, besides in the front. It took me 4 days to install my Microlocs, a total of about 16 to 17 hours. I tried to limit to about 4 hours per day. I was literally doing them in the middle of my work week. And so on like my lunch breaks, I work from home, or a little bit in the evening, but I promised myself I would not do more than 4 hours because I wanted to make sure that I took my time and I didn't do any that were too big because I was rushing the process. I have a total of, actually, you know what? I don't know anymore. I started off with about 540 locks. I do have a micro lock count video, but since then, I know I've combined some locks intentionally and unintentionally, and I've also created new locks in the front of my head because, you know, I had a little bit of breakage in the front prior to locking, which is really growing a lot, and so they have their own little baby locks in the front. So far, I've washed my locks twice. I don't have a staple product yet in regards to shampoo. In regards to maintenance, I'm not retying or interlocking my hair. I am actually retwisting. So I'm using the traditional lock method of tightening or retightening your locks, which is retwisting. So I have a video, I'll put the link down for you to watch that process. It's really quick and it's really easy, and it's been working for me. I like the appearance of the locks that's forming because of it. So I know for smaller locks, a lot of people really talk about it's not the preferred method. So again, this is a new journey for me. Right now, I'm loving it. I don't see me changing it anytime soon, but I don't know. As my journey evolves, we'll see how it goes. I just don't see myself interlocking after I experimented with it in the beginning before I decided to retwist. So some changes in my locks. Again, I think it's obvious in appearance that they're definitely different. There's a lot more shrinkage going on here, and I feel like I definitely have more volume than I had in the beginning with my twist. I almost feel like it looks really similar to my wash and go, to be honest. But yeah, it's happening. I do have some budding that's happening all over in different places of my hair. I'm really excited because at this point I'm like, ma'am, you're in this, you're not getting out anytime soon. So yeah, I definitely feel like it's transforming. You guys can compare, but to me, there's a big difference. Now let's talk about some of the issues that I'm having, or that I have had. So I work out a lot. I was able to kind of experiment with locks with my sister's hair, who has traditional locks, so her locks are a lot bigger than mine. I was able to go through the process from the beginning with her, and I would do her retwist. A big problem that she had was slippage in the back, and I'm definitely having those same issues. I know a lot about my hair, but even more now. My hair is the strands are very fine. My hair is very soft, especially in the back. And I have had a good amount of slippage happening in the back here. And I've had some bunching that has occurred in the very, very back. And it's from working out, it's from sweating back there. And I pull my hair up pretty high, but sometimes those twists fall. So I have had some bunching and some slippage. Nothing that I feel like is like, you know, going to jeopardize my locks at this point, but I have run into a few bumps in the road. So I'm just trying to be careful with that. And even more with me being someone who's not interlocking, it's definitely something that I have to watch out for, because a retwist does not last as long as the interlocking. So I'm still working on some different methods to put my hair up, not only at night, but when I'm working out. So I'll keep you guys up to date on that. What I love the simplicity. It's how I've always loved my natural hair journey. I want it to be easy, and these are so easy. They're way too easy. It's a problem. I'm like, just waiting on something. But I spritz my hair a little bit of water and I go. You know, if I want to do something quick and casual, run out the door, I can throw it up in a cute messy bun. It's been really easy, and I love that. And I just love seeing my hair transform. But I don't hate anything about the journey just yet. It's definitely interesting in watching your hair transform, not really knowing what to expect. So I can see how for some people who have not 100% committed to the journey, that could be something that you're worried about. But I mean, it's really exciting for me. I feel like I've been natural for so long, and I've gone through so many different things with my hair that it doesn't bother me as much, and I'm more excited about it than anything. So right now I don't have anything that I necessarily hate about the process. Retwisting for me has been really, really easy. I have a retwist coming up actually in the following week, so maybe I'll do some quick clips of that. But actually I have a retwist video for you guys to check out. It's not a tutorial, but it's, you know, so you can kind of see how my process goes. All right, so I really appreciate you guys for watching. If you have any additional questions, leave them down below. I think I'm gonna try to do maybe a one per month like live FAQ, even if it's questions I've answered in videos. I understand people are not going to go digging through videos just to get an answer to one question. So I think that's something that I'll start doing. So leave your questions down below, and then maybe I will answer your question in my next live video that I do. Also, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, all that great stuff that we do here on YouTube. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thank you for watching.